Welcome to Tools of the Future. Here, you will uncover a selection of advanced AI tools designed to enhance your efficiency and productivity while simplifying your daily tasks. These innovative technologies are here to transform and elevate your lifestyle, providing solutions that save you time and effort. Subscribe now to ensure you remain at the forefront of progress and innovation in this rapidly evolving digital landscape.
Imagine a world where technology simplifies our lives. Using future tools can make this vision a reality. Today, we will explore how these tools are shaping our future. Future tools are advanced technologies that address our evolving needs. They enhance efficiency, creativity, and productivity in various fields. Let's break down the essential future tools and their impact. Firstly, artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing industries. AI processes data, offers insights, and automates tasks. This helps businesses save time and resources. Next, we have augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. They create immersive experiences in education and training. For example, VR can simulate real-life scenarios for practice and hands-on learning. Thirdly, 3D printing is transforming manufacturing. It allows for rapid prototyping and custom products. This technology reduces waste and speeds up production time. Moreover, blockchain offers secure transactions and data sharing. It enhances transparency and accountability across sectors. Industries are adopting blockchain for various applications like supply chain management. Lastly, the Internet of Things, IoT, connects devices for smarter living. With IoT, everyday objects communicate and share data efficiently. This leads to improved home automation, health monitoring, and energy management. Now let's look at a real-world example. A school incorporates AR tools into its curriculum. Students use AR apps to visualize complex subjects, enhancing their understanding. This practical approach fosters engagement and excitement. In summary, future tools like AI, AR, 3D printing, blockchain, and IoT are changing our world. They improve efficiency, foster innovation, and enhance learning experiences. It's exciting to see how these technologies will evolve. Are you ready to embrace future tools? Start exploring these technologies today. Subscribe for more insights and updates on the future of innovation.